Skydive Indianapolis.
Hi.
What's going on here today?
I'm gonna go skydiving today and I'm very excited.
First time?
Yes, first time for my 18th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Whose idea was this?
It was my parents' idea. I mean, I kind of hinted that I wanted to do it and they took me up on it.
Brought you out, huh?
Yeah.
What do you want to say to friends and family watching this at home?
Don't make fun of me.
Alright, sounds good.
Okay.
I'll see you up there.
Alright.
Only 6 o'clock in the morning and my heartbeat is out of control. 10 minutes until boarding, feels like I'm about to explode. Time for the ride up, tension started to swirl. I can't believe I'm gonna free fall from the top of the world. Senses peaked with a crazy anticipation. Feeling like this, tell me how the hell can I be patient? Jumpsuit rig, Google helmet all in place. Double checking just in case. I'm elated, baby, freedom one green light away, and I just can't wait.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah.
Spread my wings, time to fly. One step out, all it takes for me to touch the sky. So amazing, so liberating. 12,000 feet, AGL, so breathtaking. Belly down, box me now. 4 minutes of pleasure without any spark of distraction around. State of mind, euphoria, wish it could last forever. From this day on, nothing can stop us from getting back together.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life.
That was amazing. Definitely doing that again.
Pretty good time, huh?
Yes.
Alright,
That was
congratulations.
great. Thank you.
Welcome to the sky with us.
Thank you.